Well, you may remember just 7 months ago, those rapidly rising floodwaters devastated Central Texas. This is back on July 4th. Since then, the focus has been on rebuilding and recovery. In the meantime, WFAA and our parent company, Tegna, announced $220,000 in grants from donations that you made. Yeah, to 3 nonprofits that are leading the recovery there on the ground. This is the second round of grants from our Tegna Texas Flood Relief Fund. It raised more than $1 million total, and we've honored to award $100,000 to Kerr Habitat for Humanity, $70,000 to the Community Foundation of the Texas Hill Country, and $50,000 to the Kerr Economic Development Corporation's Kerr Together Fund. That EDC will use the grant dollars, they tell us, to support their Together disaster recovery center, which is their kind of hub for organizations that are providing direct relief to residents and businesses.
Just feel truly blessed to have supporters like your organization helping us and thinking of us. That is just the blessing itself. Continue being on the front of mind and in the prayers of the state of Texas and all over the country.
Now, for more information about how your donations have been helping with that flood recovery in Central Texas, you can visit our website, WFAA.com.